So this deck right here, every July 4th, you've got the front row seat to the fireworks show at the Burkett Park. No traffic, no crowds. Just walk out your back door and watch the sky light up. But this house has a lot more going on. Let's go inside and I'll show you around. This is the Ryan Homes Victoria model with a beautiful curb appeal. It's built in 2010 and it's offered first time in the market. Let's get inside. Welcome home. Step inside to a grand two-story foyer. Gleaming hardwood floors, soaring ceilings, and dramatic waterfall staircase create a bright, welcoming first impression, with sunlight pouring in through the transom window above. A formal dining room features bay windows and tray ceilings, perfect for hosting. The main level was designed for both everyday living and entertaining. A private home office offers a quiet space to work from home. And the family room centers around cozy fireplace. The tiled kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances, a spacious pantry, thoughtful touches that make everyday life easier. All 4 bedrooms are upstairs and very decently sized. Let's take a look. The owner suite is a true retreat and a luxurious bath, complete with jacuzzi soaking tub, featuring a large walk-in closet, This is where the house really sets itself apart. This is a fully finished walkout basement with 9-foot ceilings, and it does not feel like a basement. You got a second kitchen down here with a wet bar, full bathroom with a tile shower, and then this, a home theater built in with audio, projector screen, and a whole setup. This is made for movie nights, game day, whatever you want to host. And because there is a separate entrance right here leading to the concrete patio, this space really works well as a mother-in-law suite. Location, good curb appeal, beautiful community, close to freeways and shopping. The homes like this do not last long. Homes like this, updated, move-in ready, first time on the market since it was built. They don't come around more often in this area. If you want more information or you want to set up a private showing, the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.